Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khulume Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and most definitely subscribe. One thing about Dr Nandipha, whenever she goes to court, guys, she makes sure that she would look at the best, proper, abemonhle, guys. Red lipstick, guys, always get that one. We already know very good. It's her favorite. So today, Umogel appeared at court photo, and Umogel was beautiful, new hairstyle, makeup, guys. Shy face beat, Umogel was and red lipstick. Okay, son again, she was always smiling. Smile amoyitela umugeli. You can see nje ukuthi umugeli shem akana stress, free, right, guys. Akadingeni nje, uhlezi amuhle, guys, forever yena, guys. Uthi whatever indoda yami wants, indoda yami will get, and I will stick by his side no matter what. Hi umugeli, guys, we approve ukuthi true love does exist. Gangster love, my daughter. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.